What's good with it, bro? It's your boy Chico Bills. I'm back at it again with another video. And guess what came in the mail today, bro? Yes, sir! Hey, don't drop it. Hey, chill. You already know, bro. That BN kit, bro. Let's get straight to it. I got my boy Luis and I out here, bro. My boy Alfredo Rios. And my boy Fran, he's fiending to see that kit, bro. Yes, bro. Open that shit up. Y'all already know, bro. Came straight from Japan. I've been hyped up for this. We're ready to open this shit, bro. Let's get it, bro. Open this shit. Open this shit. Open this shit. All right, chill. Don't break it. Yeah, boys.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Shit, it's already cracked. I didn't know we were going there.
All right, so we're opening this kit from Mastermind.
We are. Packaging rating?
The packaging rating is 10 out of 10, bro. Like, this shit is not gonna break.
It's weird because it says made in China, but I thought it was from Japan.
What the fuck? All right, bro. Let's get straight to it, bro. I'm trying to calm these fools down, bro. I'm excited, bro. We're at the side skirts. Hey, yo, chill. The BN Sports. This motherfucker. Bro, so Mastermind, I gotta give him a huge shout out, bro. This packaging was A1. My boy Alfredo over there, he got a pump in just from taking off the tape. So yeah, bro. Let's test fit this shit on though, bro. We hyped up, bro. We hyped up.
So we can't, but this will crack in half. Oh, there's a drill. The hole's in there.
Bro, this thing already got the holes drilled in and everything, bro. We don't have to do no drilling.
Only the rear, because like the front. Oh, wait, no, the front also has.
Oh, yeah, the front has a hose too.
Oh,
bro, shout out the Mastermind, bro. This shit's straight from Japan, bro. They don't play, bro. They don't play. Alright, now we got the body kit out here, bro. My boys went ham. So we're gonna test fit this baby right now, bro. Right now. I'm gonna show you guys some shots before and after how it looks, you know what I'm saying? And right now we're gonna throw that baby on. I already took off the back bumper though, cause I was trying to drift it, bro. We were trying to manji it earlier, so.
He crashed.
Nah, bro. Anyway, bro, let's throw that sucker on. All right, so we're trying to go ham, bro, cause it's about to be a storm right now, bro. So we're trying to go ham right now. So my boy's going crazy, cause that shit's coming, bro. That shit's coming. So yeah, we're gonna test fit the back first. We got the back bumper off. So let's see what it's about.
You gotta take out the blast pipe.
No. The blast pipes.
Oh, yeah. Look, record right there. It's too big.
SMH,
the blast pipes. Just cut them off.
Cut them off?
Yeah. Honestly. Cut them off.
Now we gotta make a new exhaust, bro. My blast
here,
pipes. He's gonna cut it real quick.
Oh shit, in the weld or not?
My boy Fran, he's finna go ham, bro. He's a professional sawzaller, bro.
No, I already bent the blade.
Let's get it, bro.
How do people steal cats? This is hella hard.
This fool knows how to steal cats, bro. No,
hey, that was a clean ass cut.
That was a clean ass cut. Franny got that sucker off, bro. So we're gonna go ham right now and slap this sucker on, bro. Bro, this shit's fucking hard. Look at this shit. Sheesh. It's just gonna be crazy when this paint match, bro. God damn.
That one falls when you let go?
Yes, this sucker's going on. You already know, bro. You already know. It's gotta go over that shit. Oh, yeah. My boy's test fitting. Look at that boy!
Voila, bro!
Ooh.
Look at that magic.
Ooh.
Let's see what this hype is about.
Yes!
Man.
Look at that shit, bro.
Man.
This fool right here, messing up my box and shit. But this is the fitment right here, bro. You have to see the whole. Watch out with the black heads. Dude, it's just gonna look sick. Bruh. Damn, bro. Bro, once I throw this body kit on, bro, I gotta throw one JZ in here, bro. Turbo lash hands. But I don't got the money right now, so. Hey, bro, that thing looks. It's only held on by 2 zip ties right now for the test fit. But I'm gonna have to probably drill a bigger hole right there and see what I'm gonna have to do about that bracket. It's a little off. Oh, hell no, bro. The storm's coming, Annie. God damn. I'm about to slap the side skirt on. This right here, this held on by 1 zip tie. Bro, chill out. God damn. For all day, bro. All day. This fool's been waiting, bro. He's been fiending. Anyway, bro, I hope you guys like this little sneak peek. I'll put some clips right now. Bro, it's a bunch of stuff here. I gotta put this stuff away, bro. I want to keep going, but sadly we can't. And I was gonna wrap match it. I have the wrap, but then now I'm like, bro, should I just take everything off and paint it? Like, I don't know. You guys tell me, bro. I don't know. I'm feeling like I should just go ham, bro. We've been going ham too, painting cars. Hit us up. We wrap, we paint, we do whatever, bro. But I'm in between right now, wrapping it all black for a little bit, or just taking it all off and going ham and painting it. So that's what I'm in between right now. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like my content. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok, N54Chico. And Chico Bills, follow my Insta, N54Chico. And until next time, bro. Until next time, I'll have this shit like ready, locked in, you know what I'm saying? But y'all have a good one. Late. I just want to give a quick little moment of recognition to my boy Franny. Rest in peace, or race in peace as we say out here. Y'all already know what it is, bro. I finished the fucking build, but all that shit really don't matter, bro. I fucking love you. I miss you. It ain't the same, this shop, without you, bro. It ain't the same, like, you know what I mean? We really ran it up. I gotta thank you, too, for just helping me with all my builds, helping me grab all this clientele, helping me, you know what I'm saying, with everything, bro. Every single thing in my life, bro. You were there for me, and I miss you, bro. Like, it ain't the same, bro, you know what I mean? Like, all this shit really don't matter. You know, the cars, the money, and what matters is the moments, bro. The moments you have with your loved ones, with your friends. Really enjoy those, bro, while they're still here, because, I mean, you never know when it's the last moment you'll see them, you know. You never know, and life changes as an instant, bro. Blink of an eye, you know what I mean? And it just ain't the same without you, my boy, and I miss you, bro, and shit, man. I love you. Send me a whip up there, bro, because I'm going to see you soon, bro. Later.